Want to make $100 today? Whether you're at home or on the go, here are 5 real ways to earn fast cash with zero fluff and real results. Let's get started. Way 1. Sell unused items online. Start with what you already have. Sell old electronics, clothes, or books on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or eBay. Many people earn over $100 in a single day just by clearing their closet. Way 2. Do freelance work, writing, design, or editing. If you have a skill, like writing, designing, or editing, create a free profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Many quick gigs pay $25 to $100. Start small and deliver fast. Way 3. Deliver food or groceries, DoorDash, or Instacart. Sign up with DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Instacart. A few hours of deliveries, especially during peak times, can easily get you $100 in tips and base pay. Way 4. Do simple micro tasks online. Earn cash by completing small tasks on sites like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. From data entry to quick surveys, it's an easy way to stack small wins into $100 a day. Way 5. Offer local services, babysitting, lawn mowing, house cleaning. Offer quick services in your neighborhood like babysitting, yard work, or cleaning. Post in local Facebook groups or next door. Many people will pay $100 plus for a few hours of help. Making $100 in a day is possible if you take action. Choose one of these, get started today, and watch your income grow. Want more ideas like this? Hit that subscribe button and level up your hustle.